Hello everyone. In this session we will discuss the differences between the call by value and the call by reference. Normally your call by value can be performs the calling the function, and the call by reference can be performs like your call it function type. So just you can see what we have the differences between these. So first, in the call by value, a copy of the value is passed into the functions. So first here you can take the our arguments. Okay, so those can be copied into this, like your whatever you have the actual parameters, those can be copied into the our formal parameters is passed into the our functions. So just here whatever you have the arguments, those can be copied into the actual parameters to the our formal parameters. Thus that is like your a copy of the value is passed into the our functions. And in this also here whatever you have the address of the value, in this here whatever you have the information that is copying. So in this here you can copy the address of the value, whatever you have the functions or else parameters here. For that case here you can take the address of the value that is passed into the our function, and next here, if we need to be made the any changes inside the function, that is limited to the function only. Okay, if we need to be do the any changes in the function, those are limited to the functions. And the values of the actual parameters also do not changing by the our formal parameters whenever you are doing the programmatic also. Means here whatever you have a value that maybe remains constant. Okay, so just you can see here whenever you are doing the programmatic, like the values of actual parameters do not change, means these all remains constant only. So first whatever you given, those values will be stored here, do not change by changing the formal parameters. Actual parameters and the formal parameters we have. Okay, so your actual parameters can be performed like your calling function, formal can be performed like your called function type. So here suppose here I am giving the x value will be the 10 and y value will be the 20. The values will be remains constant only after during the programmatic also. Means here these are the our actual parameters. Just here x is equals 10 and y is equals 20. Now these two are the our actual parameters. Suppose you took the another variables comparing to the our x and y. Here you took the a and b also. Okay, by the programmatic you can define the value of x will be a and the value of y will be the b. So in the time your a is also taking the value will be the 10 and b is also taking the value will be the 20. So whatever you given the condition, by that it can be satisfies the our programmatic. If you are giving the a plus b and b plus 2 type here, so that can be performed like your a is equals to 30, b is equals to 22, like that. So just here you can see whatever you given, it can be chooses the value, but here at last here you can see whatever you have the x is equals 10 and the y is equals 20, these will not change. Means formal parameters are not changing the our actual parameters here, but the difference is like here in our call by reference, so it can be changes the our actual parameters also. Means it is not remains constant, it can be changes the our actual parameters after doing the programmatic. Okay, the actual parameters, it can be changes the our values. The actual parameters do change by changing the formal parameters. Means these are not remains constant. So once you did the programmatic for this here, it can be changes the whatever the a value and whatever the b value is the, that is similar to the our x and y values. You can see here you will be having, suppose your a plus b and the b plus 2. Okay, so just you can see what if we get the our a value will be the a is equals to a plus b, b is equals to b plus 2. Okay, a value will be 30 and b value will be the 22, right? So here whatever you have the x and y values, these are the similar to previous only. These will not changed in this. But whenever you are doing the call by reference, it can be changes the our values. Here also I'm taking the same values, and here I'm taking the a b, and a is equals to the 10 and the b is equals to 20. So these two are the similar, and the same process I am taking, b is equals to the b plus 2. Now you will be having the a is equals to 30 and the b is equals to the 22, right? In the call by reference here, it can be changes the our for actual parameters, right? So by how it can be changes, by the address of the our variables, it can be changes the our values. So now you can see the values will be x is equals 30 and the y is equals to the 22. Okay, like this here it can be changes the our information, like here whatever you given the values. In the call by value, whatever you given the values, those will not change whenever you are performing the formal parameters. But in the call by reference, these values can be changed. Okay, there is no changes. Here we have the changes. Okay, that you can remember. That's enough. And next here, whatever you have the actual and the formal arguments, those are created at the different memory location into the our call by value. Actual and formal parameters. We have the actual and the formal parameters, or else here you can say those are the arguments also. Okay, actual and the formal parameters here we have. Okay, these are created, whatever you have, these are created at the different memory. These are created at the different memory locations. Means here these are not taking the same locations. These are created by the different locations. But in this reference here, whatever you have the actual and the formal parameters, so those are formal parameters, or else here you can write the arguments also. These will be created by the same memory locations, or created at the same location, same memory location. It can be take the same memory location, but in the call by value it cannot be take the same location. It is the other location it can be chooses. And here whatever you have the, if you are making the changes inside of the function, those are limited into this call by value. And whatever you're doing the changes inside of the function, those are validate. But outside of the functions also we can use. In this year we can use the only inside of the functions. In this year we can change the outside of the functions also is possible. That you can perform with the our call by value and the call by reference. Thank you for the watching. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel.